Hi, my name is Rachel Poe, and this is my assignment on cellular respiration and photosynthesis. Cellular respiration and photosynthesis are two different processes, but they do relate to each other. First, I will start off with cellular respiration. It is a chemical process in which oxygen is used to make energy from carbohydrates. Cellular respiration is a catabolic process. Photosynthesis is a chemical process that occurs in plants, algae, and some types of bacteria when they are exposed to sunlight. Photosynthesis is an anabolic process. Photosynthesis creates glucose and oxygen out of sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. Cellular respiration is a process that breaks down glucose into usable energy for the cell. They are opposite processes that fuel each other in a never-ending cycle. The products and the reactants for photosynthesis are reversed in cellular respiration. The reactants of photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water, which are the products of cellular respiration. The reactants of cellular respiration are oxygen and sugar, which are the products of the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis and cellular respiration are both part of a mutually beneficial relationship. Cellular respiration cannot occur without photosynthesis, and photosynthesis certainly cannot occur without the help of its partner. And here's a little example.